If you have a plastic battery case like this one right here, oftentimes these cases are made from very cheap plastic, and the screws that are used on these cases, they are also made from very cheap metal, and they get stripped away very easily. Now, as you can see right here, this screw is very stripped and I cannot remove it using my screwdriver. I have tried different methods, but nothing works on a case like this. So in order to not throw everything away, because I paid like $15 for this LED housing and LED light, I'm gonna use one simple method to remove this screw completely. I'm gonna use my old soldering iron. I'm gonna heat it up just a little bit and I'm gonna melt the plastic around this screw, and eventually I'm gonna pull this screw out from this plastic case. Now, this is possible to do because there are no any visible wires around this screw, so by melting this plastic, I'm not gonna damage anything around this screw. So the main goal right here is to just melt plastic and to remove the screw, so we can open up this housing and so we can put the batteries in. Now later, of course, we can fix this cover in some other way, which I will show you later, but for now just circle it enough times around this screw so that everything around the screw is melted and we can remove it easily from this plastic case. Now once the screw is removed, as you can see, we have made a pretty big hole on this cover and it's not so pretty to see it. We have done the job necessary, we have removed the screw, and now we can open this plastic case, but this hole is pretty big and the best way forward is just to close it a little bit. We already have this heated soldering iron, so just move that plastic around so we can close that cover and make it as pretty as possible. Now, this is not a pretty job, but it's very functional job, and this channel is all about functionality. It's not about making beautiful things, it's about making functional things. And as you can see, it's pretty easy to open up this cover. Now let's insert the batteries in and let's close everything up. Now once everything is closed, of course we don't have a screw anymore, so we cannot fix this cover, but a simple duct tape will get the job done. As you can see, everything is working perfectly fine and you have yourself a very good working light. Now this was $15, and because of this small strip screw, I just didn't want to throw everything away. I wanted to use it, and this is the simplest way that I figured out on how to remove this strip screw from a plastic housing. Now if you have a metal housing, that is a different story, but I'm sure you can find a couple neat tricks on how to remove strip screw from a metal housing out there. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.